Hello, I'm Jade Pritchard and I am a performer and teacher. I teach dance, singing and drama, and today we are going to be doing a musical theatre style dance class. So we're going to do a really quick warm-up just to get everything moving, and then we'll learn the combination and put it together with the music. So yeah, let's just have lots of fun and let's get going. Ready for the warm-up? Ready? Legs apart and left and back and up and down. Side. Tilt. Take it round. And the other way. And shoulders back. 2, 3, 4. Forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your arm back. Other one, 2, 3, 4. Forwards. 3, 4. And hips round. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And quick. And keep going. Let's get these feet working and bend. 2, 3, 4. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gonna step kick. And you're gonna clap high and low. You're gonna reach up and touch the floor. Keep your legs straight and up. Touch the floor. And head over to the knee. To the other side. And up to come. I'm just going to run. Get everything flowing. And star jumps. They're quick. Okay, give everything a shake. Hopefully you should now be a little bit warmer and ready to go. Okay, so let's learn the routine. We are going to be doing it to Nicest Kids in Town from Hairspray, so it's lots of fun, there's lots of character. I'm going to break it down slowly and then we'll put it all together with the music at the very end. Now the beauty of this being a video is that you can rewind it as much as you need to go over certain bits in your own time. So let's start. So we start with 4 high clicks and step digs with our feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do 4 low clicks. Our feet doing exactly the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then you're going to do some little runs on the spot. You go slow, slow, and then 4 quick. 2, 3, 4. And you can do whatever you like with your arms, really. So from the beginning we have step, click, 2, 3, 4, and low, 2, 3, 4, and run, run, quick, 2, 3, 4. And then all your feet are doing is step together, to the same side. And your arms are doing 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have the click in if you like, otherwise you just go 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the top we have high, 2, 3, 4, and low, 2, 3, 4, and slow, slow, quick, 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 step, together, You're then going to do step, across, step, and throw your arms. And then the same the other way. Step, across, step, throw. You're then going to shake your hands down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then do a big swirl of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You can really whip that ponytail if you've got one. So, from the top we have step, click, 2, 3, 4, and low. 2, 3, 4, and run, run, quick, 2, 3, 4, step, together, step, across, step, throw, step, across, step, throw, shake, 2, 3, 4, round. Okay? Then you're going to reach high and you're going to go on the balls of your feet. So up and throw your arms down and face this way, and again up and face the other way. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then all your feet are going to do, it's like a little pony trot. You're going to go step up, down, step up, down, step up, down, step up, down. If you want, you can just step, 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 if that's easier. Okay, so you're facing this way and your arms are going to swap. 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to do 4 turning around yourself. 3, 4. Okay? From here, you're going to step forward with this leg. Forward and back. And forward and back. Then, you're going to do these mashed potato arms. 6, 7, 8. And then the same on the other side. Forward and back. Forward and back. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from the top up to there. So we have high, 2, 3, 4, and low, 2, 3, 4, and run, run, quick, 2, 3, 4, step, together, step, together, step across, step, throw, step across, step, throw, shake, 2, 3, 4, round, and up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn, 2, 3, 4, and forward, back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and forward, and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're then going to twist, and then bring the leg up, and twist, leg up, twist, leg up, twist, leg up, and you can do whatever you want with the arms, just have fun. Then you're going to do step, together, step, dig, step, together, step, dig. And the arms are just going to go round and point, round and point. Okay? So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to do 2 of the pony trots again. 1, 2, bring everything out, and then a finishing position of your choice. I choose to do this. You can do a point, you can do a jump, you can do whatever you like. So let's take it slowly one more time from the top. So we have high, 2, 3, 4, and low, 2, 3, 4, and run, slow, quick, 2, 3, 4, step, together, step, together, step across, step, throw, step across, step, throw, shake, 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 round you go, and up, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn, 2, 3, 4, and forward, and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, and back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twist, 2, 3, 4, step together, step together, step, 1, 2, out, and pose. Are you ready? Let's put the whole thing together with the music. Have fun.
Crazy bunch of kids pass through that door, yeah. Off the coats and leave the squares behind. And then they shake it, shake it, shake it like they're losing their mind. And then I see them frown cause they're the nicest kids in town. Oh yeah, every afternoon you turn your TV on. Come on. Yeah, when you turn the sound up when your parents are gone, yeah. Twist and shout for your favorite star. When you practice every step that's in your repertoire, you better come on down and be the nicest kids in town. Nice white kids.
Good, so that's it. Send your videos over. Tag Ben Cumry, tag myself, Jane Richards, and just have a really fun time.